Hi guys, this is Do-It-Yourself Jim. I make things, items that usually go on oddballstudiostore.com, and today I'm presenting you with the golf solitaire game. We call it One. Just like you've seen Cracker Barrel, all those little games that have the little triangles and they have all the little pins in them to try to get one pin. So anyway, we're going to get into this game. The object of this whole video is to show you how to beat the game. Alright, so now the object of the game is to get one ball on here. Suppose if you do, you're a genius. If you take a little closer look down here, you'll see these little divots right here, and that's where the balls go, so that way they don't roll around or go off of the board. It goes into a triangle shape. And then I have the spots here and here to put all the balls when I'm done with them. So, away we go. Genius. And that is how you beat one. So if you would like to purchase the game, you can go to oddballstudiostore.com and you can order the game. If not, I hope you learned something how to beat the game. Any triangle solitaire game, you can use this pattern strategy to beat the game. I love sharing and having fun and enthusiastically love building things that create some kind of joy in people's lives. Thanks. Have an awesome day.